Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to add color to an eye. I want to add some different colors to this eye. But I'll select the move tool. Now, I'll first start by making it brighter. So I'll come over here, select curves, move this a little bit, then click on this hand tool and just click and drag upwards. And as you can see, the effect is going on to the whole image, and I just want it to apply to the eye. So what I'll do is I'll select this layer mask, then press Ctrl I to invert it. Now with that selected, I'll come over here, select the brush tool, make sure the foreground color is white, then just I'll increase the brush size, just brighten the eye only, like that. Now I want to add different colors to it, so what I'll do is I'll come here again, select hue and saturation. Now it will come with its own layer mask. Then from here I'll check this box, colorize, then select the color that I want to work with. Select this color, then you can increase the saturation to make it darker, or reduce it to make it lighter. So I'll increase mine. Now as you can see, the effect is going to the whole image, and I just want it to apply to the eye. So what I'll do is I'll select this layer mask, then press Ctrl I to invert it, select the brush tool, then come here and just brush it in the eye like that. There we have it. Now mine is not perfect, but as you edit, you'll make sure to make it look good, make it perfect. Now that's one color. Let's add another color. So I'll come back here again, select hue and saturation, check this box, colorize, then select a different color. I'll go with the green, increase the saturation a bit, then select this layer mask and Ctrl I, invert it, select the brush tool, I'll make it a bit small, then come here and paint around where you want to add that color. So I'll increase the opacity. And that's how you add colors to an eye. Now as you can see, my selections are not that perfect, but you can make yours perfect with lots and lots of practice. I hope you've learned something useful today.